Create a function that applies different string processors to a given input. Let's check the starting point in repository -vit and check out branch 10. Let's start. Here is our starting point. As you can see, there is two processors. One of them, processors are functions, receive that string and apply a function on it. So the first one change or transform the string to be uppercase. The second one reverse the string. And for here I'm invoking or call the pose function and pass for them this constant, which include hello world. The output of the first function will be hello world with capital case, and the second one will be the same string but reversed. If we run the application in the browser, I will get the same output we set here. So how I can create a function that apply different one function that will apply different processors for the given string. So first thing I will do, I will create a function. This is my function. I will call it apply string processor, and this function receives input as a string and processor as a function. But and how I will use that, I expect I will return here processor that I will receive as a second parameter and pass for it that input. If you hover here, there is TypeScript error which tell you the processor implicitly has any, so we need type for this function. The type of this function or function types, it represents the signature of the function, what the parameters and the return value of this function. So I will create type that represent this function type. I will call this type string processor, and it receives the input. As you can see here, for both those functions, they receive input as a string and return also, both of them return a string. So the signature here, or the type or function type, is here correctly. So I will annotate the second parameter with this type. Now I will use this function. I will commit this code and I will use this function instead of those lines. As you can see here, I'm calling the function apply string processor and pass for it the string and the function, the processor as a function. So for first one I passed the two uppercase processor, and for second reverse string processor. And if we save that and run that on our browser, we will get the same result. I want to add something also. If I use this type, the function type, for our functions here, there is no need to annotate the parameter. So that's it. Thank you for watching.